hey. Hello, everybody. What's going on today? It's hot here in Southern California, so if I wasn't here, I would be at the beach. But I am thankfully here. This is what was this? This is an 18-inch deep body wave. So if you're looking for a good curly wig for the summer, come on in. You know our short wigs go fast. This client today came in. She just purchased this beautiful wig here, and she wants us to cut some layers in it. So that is what I am doing. All of our wigs are available on our website, magichaircompany.com. And of course, our wigs last for years, yes. We've been here for 11 years. Okay, but I am about to cut this wig and get it ready for this client. As you guys can see, this wonderful hairline here. Layao pow pow. You guys know we got the best of the best. Free parting. It don't get no better than this. If you're looking for a wig, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We're about to have a sale on frontals. We have 16-inch frontals in stock, 16-inch jet black frontals in stock, and then we also have 14-inch regular color body wave frontals in stock. So if you're looking for a frontal, now is the time to get that frontal while, how should I do this? While we're having our frontal sale, because I want you guys to see what I'm doing. So I guess I will just work this way and go from there. So I'm just going to cut some light layers into this, give it a little bit more body. Not too much, just a little bit. Because she really just wants more texture here, I'm going to do some light layers going this way, and then I'll frame the face a little bit more. Yes, our wigs are glueless. Yes, we're located here in Culver City. Yes, we have the best wigs. Hey, 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 go ahead and like and follow on TikTok. Give me some likes. Tap the screen for me. I need some more light. So here, just taking a little bit of this top layer. Let's see. She really wants to do like a flip over. So I'm just going to evenly take some from both sides here. I just want a little bit of layering here, but she's going to do some flipping over, so that will give it its own layering. And that's enough, because once she switches apart and does the flips, what does that mean? TikTok's always got something to tell me to do. Hi, Miss Candance. Wow, you're working those sheets. Swipe left to close. I don't know what TikTok's talking about. Thank you for following. Thank you for following Shanita. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and do the side layers, because like I said, this client wants to be more of like a flip over kind of method. So I need to give the layers here, just right on the side, just kind of chop it this way. But when you do that, you definitely have to do it symmetrically. So I'm just going to take a little bit from both sides to really achieve this look that she's looking for. Thank you. Miss Candace, I saw your post, I think yesterday, when you were at Helms Flowers. I definitely need to stop by there, because I love plants and I need some new plants in the store. So I know they're right across the street from me, and I've actually been once, but I need to go again, and I need to go get some plants. And so when I'm sectioning the layers that I'm going to cut, I try to make them as symmetrical as possible. That way the cut is nice and symmetrical. Chop it, style it, yes. So I'm just parting this out. I'll definitely stop by there. And there's actually a couple of different ways that I can cut these layers. Because I'm doing like a flip over, I can really just cut my layers this way, which is actually probably what I would do, because she doesn't want the part anyways. No, I don't want to do that. I'm going to just do it this way. Hold on. Okay, let me see. I hope you join us for the Women's Connect on Thursday the 25th at 1 Culver. Yes, send me the link. I'll come as long as it's not at like 6 a.m. You know I live in Chino, so I'm not doing that drive at 6 a.m. where you're a hairstylist. Yeah, send me the link and I will take a look, because I love to be involved. Although I think I'm going to transition out of Culver City pretty soon. It's too expensive. I feel like I'm getting priced out. I'll definitely still be in business, just maybe not here in Culver. Yeah, AM is hard for me. Especially most days, I don't even leave here until, I have to wait until traffic dies down, and then I probably don't leave until, I don't know, 8, 9. Yes, very expensive. It's been worth it though for the 11 years that I've been here. It's just, it's just a bit much. I'm tired. I'm tired, and actually a lot has been going on. A lot has been going on. But I love it. I love it here in Culver City. Next Thursday, I can do Thursday at 8 p.m. Actually, I think I'll be in Savannah. Send me the link so I can see the dates. Five to 7 is perfect. Hi, Homes Flowers. I'm going to stop by and come get some plants from you guys because you're right across the street, and I love plants. I have a store full of plants, so I need to come support my local business and buy some plants. Okay, so let me show you guys the layers that we have so far, and then I'll decide if I need to do a little bit more. But I think we're looking pretty good over here. Hello, yes, I will definitely come. I love plants, so I will definitely come and visit you, Homes Flowers. I'll probably come, I would say next week, but I'll be out of town. I'll come in very soon. And then this is what this side looks like with the layers. So I'm going to go a little bit shorter right in here. So that way we get a nice flip this way with lots of body. That looks good. And then let's see what the flip looks like from this side. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are Magic Hair Company, your luxury wig maker here in Culver City. This is one of our 18-inch deep body wave wigs, perfect for the summer, perfect for vacation, easy to maintain, beautiful natural wig, natural hairline. Shop with us if you want the best. We got the best wigs around. Come on in, we're open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. here in the Culver City Art District. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.